Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.
In this video, we will see how you can schedule messages in channels. Here, we have a list of channels. To schedule messages, open your desired channel and type your message in the text box. Then, click on the drop-down next to Send button. From here, you can select any of the available options, or you can choose a custom time. Let's pick this one. As you can see, the message is now scheduled. Click on See All Scheduled Messages, and you will be redirected to the Scheduled Messages section. Here is the message we just scheduled. If you want to edit this message, you can click on this pencil icon. You can reschedule it, send it immediately, or delete the message from here. To return to the channels, click on List. That's how you can schedule messages in channels. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.